Okay, so everyone's here, they're downstairs mingling, but we have a secret.
They think only one pair of Jelly Roll tickets is up for grabs, but the secret is everybody's going to see Jelly Roll.
In the next few moments, somebody's going to get our final pair of Jelly Roll tickets for the sold-out show. One of the 10 donuts contains red jelly. The person who gets the red jelly, very simply, gets to see Jelly Roll. Moment of truth.
The lucky color is...
It's red! Are you kidding me? Everybody take a bite right now. Hold on, every one of you's got red? Well then I guess we're all going to Jelly Roll! We're all going to Jelly Roll! Yes! Huge thank you to Lynn's Bakery for helping us make this happen.